Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that comes with lots of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns. The link is in the description below if that is useful to you. Okay, so in this video, I am reviewing Aurora Gold EA, and to confirm, this one supports both MT4 and MT5. On the marketplace, it is listed at 222 US dollars to buy, developed by Twin Fidelcia, currently on version 1.0. Okay, so the listing describes this as an automated system built specifically for XAUUSD, focused on stable risk management and consistent execution. The standout detail here is the lot sizing approach. Rather than a fixed lot, positions are calculated dynamically using 1% of current account equity per trade. All right. And, the listing says that it allows it to scale automatically as the account grows or draws down. Okay. Now, recommended settings point to the M15 to H1 time frame range, a standard or ECN account type, and the listing notes that it is designed to work across different account balances since the lot size adjusts on its own. Okay, so now let's just move into the historical testing. Okay, based on what I can see here, this doesn't exactly show detailed strategy reports, just shows balance and equity curve. All right, and the balance equity curve here looks pretty smooth. Okay, there doesn't seem to be sharp drawdowns since the equity and balance are very tight, are very close to each other, almost tied to each other. So there are no sharp drawdowns along the way. Okay, and this shows from November to November 2020. Okay, this seems to be a very short duration, right? This looks like only 2 days of analysis. I'm seeing 2nd November 2025. I'm seeing 3rd November 2025. All right. Let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this EA performed, you know, in our own back test. All right. So I ran this on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame over the past 7 months, from January through July 2026. And the starting deposit was $10,000, the initial deposit. The historical results here, we are strong, quite impressive. Across 401 trades, the win rate was solid, close to 79%, on long trades and just over 75% on short trades. All right, and then the overall win rate was over 76%. Right, that's close to 77%. Okay, and then the profit factor landed at 1.94, and the maximum drawdown observed during this run was around 6.4% on an equity basis, while the drawdown on the balance side was around 5.7%. Okay, which is fairly contained relative to the size of the gains. Now, one detail worth noting is that the average losing trade is $117.22, which was actually larger than the average winning trade at $68.57. Okay, so that might look concerning at first glance, but with win rate as high as it was here, the frequency of wins more than made up for the size difference, which is reflected in that 1.94, and it was reflected in that 1.94 profit factor. The holding times were short too, averaging around 2.5 minutes per trade, even though the listing recommends the H1 time frame. Right, so what's keeping in mind if you are expecting longer swing style holds based on the time frame alone. Okay, so basically the Profit generated was, a little bit over 100% because deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was $10,218.67. All right. So now I want to be clear that this is historical testing performance, okay? And it is not a projection of what happens going forward. This reflects one broker environment, one specific window, and one set of settings. The spread conditions, slippage, and broker execution can all shift these numbers on a different account. All right, so you want to keep that in mind. A result like this over close to 7 months is encouraging to see, but it is still just one data point, and I would recommend running your own testing across different periods and market conditions, okay, along with forward testing on a demo account before drawing firm conclusions. All right, now just looking briefly through the trade history, I can see that the EA seems to be careful with trade selection. It doesn't just rush and jump into trades. You will notice that the trades are quite spaced out, okay. You can see trades are not really stacked. You're not seeing a lot of trades being stacked or close to each other, right? There's quite some substantial spacing on some trades, but now I can see that the stacking also happens, right? So you can see that on some occasions trades are not stacked, but on some other occasions, perhaps depending on the technique that the strategy uses, right? So maybe opportunities were found and then it began to stack trades. Okay, so the stacking does not happen all the time. Maybe when the opportunities are there, the EA actually stacks those trades, right? You can see so many trades in one candle. Meanwhile, based purely on what we have observed so far, this looks like it could be worth a closer look for traders interested in an equity scaling approach to gold trading, particularly given the contained drawdown relative to the returns in this backtest. That said, no expert advisor is guaranteed to perform the same way twice, so you want to test it yourself thoroughly before considering anything beyond a demo account. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on your notifications so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content like this. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.